Hi, this is Ahmed Mashhadani from MSU Extension, and today I will show you how to make Iraqi bread. We call it in Iraq khubuz. So we need to do that: flour and yeast and salt and brown sugar and bread pillow, pizza stone, cup, and let's start. Before we start to make any food, we should wash our hands at least for 20 seconds. Then we start making our food. So let's start it. We need 1.5 cup warm water, and we'll add yeast here, 1 bucket yeast. And 1 teaspoon brown sugar, then I mix it, then I leave it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes we need 4 cups of flour, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 teaspoon salt, then we mix it the flour and salt, then I add the yeast and warm water and the brown sugar for the flour, and I start mix it. Then I will leave it for 30 minutes. Now after this 30 minutes, we put flour here, and we start doing small circle like this. Will be small bread. Okay, we need to put some flour here in the corner and in our hand. Then we bring our bread pillow like this, and we shave it like this. Maybe we'll make another video for you how to make the bread pillow. And then, okay, I put my pizza stone in oven 10 minutes ago, So to be ready, in temperature 300, I will take out now my pizza stone from the oven and put it here. But I want you to be careful because it is hot. Then I will bring my bread pillow here and like this, and then I return it for the oven and wait for a few minutes. We put the pizza stone 10 minutes before because we need it to be hot. So the two sides of a bread will be hot when we take it out. So we don't need to sleeve it. So in case you don't have this pillow, we will do this one without pillow, but will be smaller than the first one because the bread pillow make it larger. So you put some flour here in your hand, and you put flour here. And then you put it in the pizza stone. And our bread now is ready to eat. And you have many options, like you can eat it with fish or kebab or chicken, or anything. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.